Greetings wherever you are. In today's lesson, toda kuenderera mberi nema-special matrices tichitarisa the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Before we get into this lesson, may you consider subscribing, following, liking, and commenting so that you can join the MathHub family. Zvatichaita in this lesson, tiri kuda kutanga taintroduce the concept of an inverse. Chii chinombonzi an inverse? So the word inverse rinoshare maroots nerimwe word rekuti invert. Saka kuinverta and kupidigura. Take it for example from the concept of an inverter. What does an inverter does? Of course, an inverter inoita scale down the voltage kana kuti simba remagetsi riri kubva kubhatiri kana kubva kusolar rova scaled down so that rinokwanisa kubatidza TV risingaipise, kubatidza stove risingaipise, kana kubatidza imwe midziyo yemumba. But kana tichiti invert in mathematical terms, tiri kuti pidigura, that is in Shona, pidigura. Saka kupidigura uku manje kunofamba sei? Let us give an example. Let us say kuti tina x and tikada kuziva the inverse of x. What will be the inverse of x? The inverse of x will be equal to 1 over x. Saka panapa tapidigura. Because x watanyora uyu, togona kumunyora in a fractional sense. Kureva kuti togona kumurepresenta as a fraction anova x over 1. Saka since ari x over 1, the inverse, tikapidigura x wacho, tinova na 1 over x. We can give another example. Let us say kuti tina 1 over x. What is going to be the inverse of 1 over x? So the quick answer is x. Tapidigura chi 1 over x anova x. But a more complex kana kuti nuanced answer tinoiwana from understanding kuti an inverse, it's basically 1 over the term or the number whose inverse we want to get. So andiri kutaura ndiri kuti chinonzi inverse, tiri kuti 1 over chacho chatiri kuda kutsvagira inverse. Saka since in that example tichida kutsvaga inverse ya 1 over x, tinenge tichiti 1 over 1 over x. Saka kuisolva inoi tinenge takureplace this division line nedivision sign. Saka inova 1 dividing 1 over x, which is equal to 1 multiplying. Remember tine process yatakataura tichiti piduguration kana kuti takashandisa word rekuti reciprocal. Tikati we take the reciprocal of the divisor, kana kuti in simpler terms tinopidigura 1 over x yova x over 1. Saka tika multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, this is going to be equal to 1 times x over 1, which of course leads us to x, like that. So my examples ataita akanaka, but anova more real kana tikamaita takutaura manumbers chaiwo chaiwo. Saka tikati 3 for example. If we need the inverse of 3, tinenge takuti this will be what? 1 over 3. And if we want the inverse, for example, of 1 over 4, the inverse of 1 over 4 will be equal to 4, which we can get through simplifying 1 and 1 over 4. So that's the idea of an inverse. What then is going to be an inverse of a matrix? So matrix atiri kudhila nawo, I have to remind you, tiri kudhila nema 2 by 2 square matrices. Ndo atiri kudhila nawo from our earlier lesson. Pataita the zero matrix, tikaita the identity matrix. In both cases, tanga chidhila ne 2 by 2 matrix. So let us say that we want to find the inverse of this 2 by 2 matrix A, B, C, D. Tinoiwana say. So you might infer from zvatabva kuita. Unogona kufunga kuti ko tikangoti 1 over, zvinoita here kuti titi 1 over A, B, C, D like that. Azviite, hakuna maths dzakadaro. I think we have demonstrated sufficiently enough kuti kunyangwe matrices dzimwe nguva achienderana nema-ordinary numbers. An example yema-matrices panoenderana nema-ordinary numbers. As we did earlier, if we multiply a matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix, with a zero matrix, tinowana a zero matrix. If we also multiply a 2 by 2 matrix with an identity matrix, tinowana that particular matrix, as happens in contemporary everyday numbers. But we have also demonstrated that we have cases where matrices do not agree with everyday numbers. For example, as we did in our earlier lessons, takaona kuti AB is not equal to BA. That is what we saw. So AB is equal to BA if A and B are matrices. But we have also seen, like we are going to demonstrate earlier, that introducing the inverse is going to be special. So let us teach you the mechanics, the dynamics of how we get the inverse. Tadzidzisa kuti inverse tinomboiwana sei. Then there are certain things I want to infer. How we apply the inverse, or where the inverse is needful. Saka kana tichida kuwana an inverse, regai ndibvise this so that it doesn't confuse you. Zvatinoita madzangu tinoda iso. The inverse of this 2 by 2 matrix is equal to, tinoti 1 over. 1 over chi. Tichati 1 over what is called a determinant. And the word determinant is written like this. Determinant. Saka it's 1 over the determinant. Determinant yacho tinenge tamboiwana sei. The determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, tinoti A times D, AD, subtracting C times B, CB, like that. Saka chinonzi determinant, tino multiplier zvinhu zviri across, ma-elements ari across, in this particular order, AD. Tobva tasubtracta, to multiply futi ma-elements ari across, CB, in that particular order. Ndo inonzi determinant. We are not interested in deriving the determinant. Kana kutsvaga kuti determinant inowanikwa sei. We just have to know kuti the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix, it's 1 over the determinant. Determinant yacho iri AD subtracting CB. Then this 1 over the determinant, we multiply it by what? We interchange A na D in this particular order. Kureva kuti pana A panapa tinenge takuisa D. Then pana D apo takuisa A. Ta interchange A na D, we are going to negate, and the spelling of the word I'm using is negate. We are going to negate C na B. Kureva kuti tichachinja arithmetic sign ya C na B. Kana C ari positive like we have here, tinenge takuisa a negative C. Kana B ari positive like we have there, takuisa a negative B. Deno C yanga re negative, taichinja sign to a positive. Saka, what we do ku matrix side, after that 1 over the determinant, tinoita interchange A na D, then we negate C na B. Negating kuchinja arithmetic sign in such a way yekuti a positive becomes a negative also becomes a positive. So that is how we do it. Kana tatodai so, tatowana the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Saka awo ndo mawaniro atinoita the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. But before we get to our practice question, ichatiratidza in real time kuti tinoapply sei zvatadzidza, there is something about inverses I want you to know. Let us do this. Let us go back to ordinary numbers, because this property is going to apply. Ordinary numbers. Kana tine ma-ordinary numbers, let us say we have 3, and we know kuti the inverse of 3 will be equal to 1 over 3. If we take the number 3 atinayo and multiply by its inverse, tinowana 1, because ma3 anocancelana. Saka this property, this principle repeats itself again and again. Tikatora a number and multiply that number by its inverse, tinowana 1. But 1 yatiri kuwana iyi tiri kuda kuidentifya as an identity. Murikona, we want to identify it as an identity. Zvatiri kureva hama dzangu, and I want to give you this as a challenge. And now to task that a challenge. The reason why that a challenge, it's not necessary kuti mugone kuweka zvandinoda kukuisira yapa. It's not necessary. Ini chaiye pandanga ndichita draft this lesson, ndambozama kuzviweka bandaita usimbe ndikagumira panzira. What we want to arrive at is, tikatora a 2 by 2 matrix, example yatiri kushandisa it's A, B, C, D, and we multiply this by its inverse. Inverse ndeyani? It's 1 over the determinant. Determinant tati tinoiwana say tinoti A times D minus C times B. Then toisa a matrix panapa yatati tinoita interchange A na D, roti panapa ndo pana D, apa pana A, then we negate C na B, but maintaining their positions. Kureva kuti apa pana minus C, apo pana minus B. If we multiply a matrix by its inverse, tinofanirwa kuwana an identity matrix, which is what? 1 0 1 0, like that. This is very important, but I want to leave you as a challenge. So mukagona challenge denda ndine mari, I would have put some money there. Kuti challenge inoi vanenge vaiweka vakaibuditsa vanonditumira proof, then I give them some recompense because it's special. But the challenge is, mukagona kumultiplier izvi, toda kuti multiply this muchiwana the identity. Saka in basic terms, the question is you have to prove if this is correct. It is correct, but you have to mathematically prove it. So multiply the matrix A, B, C, D by its inverse 1 over determinant and the altered matrix to get the identity matrix 1 0 0 1. That is your challenge. If you get it right, send me the proof. I will send some little money to you. I promise you that. So ndo zviripo amadzango. The other thing we want to discuss before we go to practice questions is if we have a matrix, so we have a matrix which is called B such that tikatora another matrix A multiply na B inova equal to B times A. This means B is the inverse of A. Izvi regai ndizviise mukabox because I'm sure kuti zvinogona kunge zvichitoconfuse. Saka kamutemo kanaka. Saka ndichakademonstrata ndichishandisa maordinary numbers then kuti muone kuti kanobuda sei. Zviri kutaurwa nekamutemo aka zviri kunzi a matrix B such that AB is equal to BA and AB is equal to BA. B is the inverse of A. Zviri kuitikapo ndezvekuti we have a matrix B. Tikatora A, another matrix, tika multiply that matrix na B, tinoona kuti AB inenge iri equal to BA, which is not the case contemporarily. Kureva kuti this is not the case in ordinary matrix mathematics. We have proved that AB cannot be equal to BA. Asi kana tine a matrix inoita kuti AB ave equal to BA, that matrix is an inverse of A. Using 3 as our example, panapa tinenge takuti we have 3 and saka A anga equal to 3. Then tovatati B are equal to chi 1/3. Saka AB is equal to BA stemming from the case of 3 multiplying 1/3 being equal to 1/3 multiplying 3, knowing of course that this should be equal to the identity. So mtemo uyu ndewe kungoziva at the back of your mind. I am not too certain kuti vanomubvunza in any particular way, but zvamunofanirwa kunyatsokuziva nemwoyo wese ndeizvi kuti tikatora matrix tikaimultiplya neinverse yayo tinofanirwa kuwana the identity matrix. And by the way, this applies both ways. Chero tikatanga kumultiplya tichiti the inverse times the matrix, it should still give us the identity. So this is what we wanted to learn before we go into our practice question. This is the practice question we want to attempt. Find the inverse of A, B, and C. As you can see, kuti A, B, na C, we have 2 by 2 square matrices because that is our limit when it comes to our syllabus. Tinongoita the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix or matrix. Before we get into this question, may you please subscribe, follow, like, share, and comment. Saka question yedu tichai ataka sei. Attack A. So madzidzisiro andiroda kuita, for the sake of simplicity, tinofanirwa kutanga tagona kutsvaga the determinant. Tagona kutsvaga the determinant, then tozongonyora the inverse of a particular matrix. Saka the matrix we have panapa, it's 3, 4 minus 2, 1. So we have to find the determinant. Saka tinogona kuya panapa toti consider the determinant. Ndo yatoda kutanga tawana. Saka the determinant panapa, it's going to be what? What I say semicolon. Kuti tiwane determinant in a methodical way, tinofanirwa kuti let this matrix 3, 4 minus 2, 1 be A, B, C, D. like that. Saka taita kuti matrix iyo 3 minus 2 4 1 ive ABCD. Tadaro tinobva taita sei? Tinobva tati determinant iri equal to chi? Determinant is equal to AD minus CB. Saka in this particular order, AD minus CB, that is the determinant. So taona determinant AD minus CB. Panapa tati let this matrix be ABCD. Tinobva tangoya panapa toda iso. A yari panapa. Saka A anenge arava chi? A anenge ari 3. So it's 3 multiplying. Then D wedu arapa. Uyu D apa. 3 multiplying 1 minus C nde uyu kureva kuti C anenge ari 4. 4 multiplying B nde uyu kureva kuti B anenge ari chi? Minus 2. Taking note kuti you have to write B sezvaari minus 2. So tadai so kuti let this matrix be ABCD kwanga kuri kuitira kuti tishandise the formula yatinoziva kuti determinant iri equal to AD subtracting CB. Then tozo replace AD, C na B in this formula kuti tiwane the determinant. So we just come here and solve this. So this is equal to 3 times 1 then the 3, then minus 4 times minus 2, the plus 8. Saka 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is going to be the determinant. So taona kuti 11 ndiye determinant wedu. Tinenge takungoti, therefore, the inverse now is equal to 1 over determinant which is 11. Tobataisa matrix brackets edu. Toenda ku original matrix which is 3 minus 2 4 1. Then tati tinoita sei ku original matrix. Ku original matrix tati tinoita interchange 3 na 1. Kureva kuti 1 anenge apa napa, 3 ava apa. Tinozvichinjanisa ma positions. Then tikati 4 na minus 2 tinozvirega zvakadaro, but we negate. Tinochinja arithmetic sign. Kureva kuti 4 uyu anenge ava chi? Minus 4. And minus 2 uyu anenge ava chi? Anenge ava 2. Kana tadai so, we can underline this is the inverse of that particular matrix. Saka tawana our answer sezvataita, we can prove whether our answer is correct or not. The way of doing so, tinenge taku ininda kukupa as a task because you are not required by the examination to do that. Muka multiply the original matrix yatanga tinayo, which is 3 apo, 1 apo, 4 panapa, minus 2. Muka multiply ne its inverse, which is 1 over 11. Apo it's 1, 2, minus 4, 3. Munofanirwa kuwanani 1, 0, 1, 0, which is the identity. So that is your task. You can, kana muine time uye kana muchinakirwa nemethods, munogona kuzama kuisolve iyo kuti muone kuti sure here inobuditsa 1001. But because it's not part and parcel of what is required pa question yedu, I leave it to you as a task. Let us go on to the other parts of our question. So let us now do B. B iri kuda kuti titsvage the inverse of 2538. Saka tinotanga sei? Tinoti consider determinant. Ndo yatoda kutanga tawana. Saka determinant kuti tiwane, tinenge tatotanga tati let 2538 be A, B, C, D. By the way, the inverse mogona kutongoikota kuri kuti mazvijaira uye kuti makuzvigona. You can easily quote it kuti apa determinant inenge iri chakati kureva kuti the inverse inenge iri chakati. But follow this modus operandi, follow this method, especially kana tichiri learning curve, kuitira kuti musaita unnecessary mistakes. So taita leta 2538b a b c d, tinobva tauya panapa toti determinant. We know kuti determinant takatarisa a b c d inenge iri equal to ad minus cb, like that. So takuda kuchita infer manje, we can see kuti a anenge ari 2, d anenge ari 8, subtract c anenge ari 3 and b anenge ari 5. Saka kana takusolva this further, 2 times 8 into 16, subtracting 3 times 5 is 15. Then tadaiso manje, this is going to be equal to what? This is equal to 16 minus 15 d 1. So 1 is our determinant. Tabva ipapa tichabva tazoti, therefore the inverse now is going to be equal to 1 over the determinant, which is 1 panapa. Then we take our original matrix, which is 2538. So vataichinja, tinoita interchange position ya 2 na 8, kurati 8 hapo 2 hapo, then we negate 3 na 5, kurati panapa it's minus 3, hapo it's minus 5. That is going to be our answer. You can pick up your task again hapo. You can prove by multiplying 2538 by this inverse, which is 1 over 1, 8 minus 5 minus 3, 2. By the way, inverse kana yabuda seizo, you can as well write it panapa as, instead of good 1 over 1, which of course is 1, inverse yedu tokonangoinyora takangoisa that matrix 8 minus 5 minus 3, 2, like that. Now let us look at C. C is going to be special. You're going to see. Saka C yedu yakamira sei. Toda weka C, matrix yatinayo ndi 6, 3, 2, 1. Like that. Saka kuti tiwane the inverse, we first off consider the determinant. Saka paku consider determinant hapo, tinotanga tati let 6, 2, 3, 1 be A, B, C, D. Then we know that the determinant is equal to A times D, subtracting C times B. Then tada is so much. This is equal to A Indian, A in the 6, multiplying D Indian, D in the 1, subtracting C Indian, C in the 2, multiplying ko B Indian, B in the 3. For panapa, we now have 6 times 1, which is 6, subtracting 2 times 3, which is also 6. Saka, our determinant is going to be 0. Saka, since our determinant is 0, that particular matrix does not have an inverse. And why are we saying does not have an inverse? For example, kuri kuti tazoti therefore inverse is equal to 1 over determinant this 0. Then up, of course, we make our twitch up and over 1 up over 6 up minus 2 up minus 3. I want to believe that by now you know kuti hatikwanise kuti 1 over 0. Chero tikazviisa mucalculator yedu zvinobuditsa sometimes inonyora kuti error 2, but in particular this will be infinity, not applicable, like that. We cannot have 1 over 0. 0 can never be a divisor. So because mathematics breaks when we make 0 the divisor, zvinoreva kuti a matrix which have a determinant of 0 has no inverse. Saka kuti tiite kuudza mwana wopedzisira, panapa tiri kuti a matrix with 0 as determinant has no inverse. And mamatrix erudzi urwu ane a special term. They are called singular matrices. They are called singular matrices. So this in a way caps kana kuti concludes the lessons which we had dedicated to special matrices. So let me give a quick summary of all the special matrices. So the special matrices we did, takaita ma special matrices, but ma special matrices aya taima apply ku 2 by 2 matrix. Number 1, takatarisa inonzi 0 matrix. Tikaona kuti 0 matrix iyi inonyorwa so 0 0 0 0 like this, and it acts as 0. Kuacta kwacho, we have seen kuti if we multiply any matrix by a 0 matrix, we get a 0 matrix. So we did a 0 matrix. Secondly, takaita an identity matrix. So the identity matrix inonyorwa sei? Inonyorwa so it's 1 0 1 0, and we also saw that it acts as 1. Pakuacta as 1, if we multiply any matrix by this identity matrix, we get the value of that particular matrix. Then number 3, we did inverse. So the inverse of a matrix, and panapa let us use A, B, C, D. Note the inverse of this matrix is going to be 1 over the determinant, which we find by multiplying AD minus CB. Then tinobva tachinja the value of A, B, C, D. We interchange A na D, apo tana D apo tana A. Then we negate C na B, kurata apo ya minus C apo ya minus B. Then lastly, for our number 4, taita a singular matrix. So for a singular matrix, taona kuti this is a matrix where the determinant is equal to 0. What does this mean? This means we have no inverse. So basically, this is the work we have done. Stay tuned for an exercise by which you are going to measure kana understand ma concepts ataita. So the exercise which you should do panapa, it's exercise 13b, New General Mathematics 4, Chapter 4. Load out meter number 1, number 4, number 8, number 11, and number 12. Thank you for borrowing me your attention. I hope I served you well in this lesson. I hope you learned something, and have a nice one.